Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about tables and how to uh, use a table so that with the cursor movement you can access the table. So let's start programming for that one. So first of all, you just go with your HTML and head. Uh, that is HTML, then head, then style, table, then border collapse, that is collapse width 100%, then it's THDD, padding 8 pixel, then text align, left, border bottom, 1 pixel, solid, hash DDD, then TR over background color, yellow, then style, then head, then body, then now let's get to the table part, which is TABLE, then TR, TH is item 1, TH, then item 2, item 3, then TR. Copy the entire thing, and in the next one just make this to TD, 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 and this becomes, just copy it. These are just normal elements that you would have to you know use it. I've done it 3-4 times just to get the outcome, and then close the table. That is Control P and close the table, close the body, close the HTML, copy everything, then paste it here, click on run. Okay, so now you can see that as soon as I move the mouse up and down, you can see this highlight thing going up and down, and this is the main line item first, which is highlighted in bold, and this is just like a demo thing. So whenever you're using a table, this may not work in Excel, but Excel doesn't have that option, but with CSS and HTML that can be done easily. So that makes the table look more interesting. So that's how you do it.